Hello everyone. After so many days I'm going to make a video where I'm going to plant something. From the past couple of weeks I am not being able to upload any videos because I am not being able to make any videos because the situation is not at all appropriate for making videos. Beside my house, actually construction is going on, so much noise, and also the road that is in front of my house, again there was some construction in that also, and so it's road repairing work, and a lot of machinery, noise, and a lot of pollution, and also the weather is too hot that I cannot come all the time to the terrace and make some videos. So pardon me for not making videos, but today again after a lot of days I am going to make a video, and in this video I'm going to plant so many plants that I have grown from seeds only. I have not made any videos on how I've grown them from seed, but it is very easy. So if you want me to make videos on how to grow them from seed, you can just add a comment in the comment section. I will make one for you. So in this container, that is a big container, large container, here I have one cauliflower plant. This one is a cauliflower plant. You can see one cauliflower also. So in this section there was only 2 dahlia plants, so I dig them up and I got this tubers, so I will try to save them. But now for the timing this place was looking empty, so I want some plants immediately. So what I have planned to give this area a garden look, so I have chosen so many plants. You can see this one is a Tithonia, Mexican sunflower. It will cover the back side of this container totally. At the front these are all Gomphrena, you can see. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 Gomphrena plants, and 1 2 3 4 Gladia plants. So I have planted over here 4 Gladia. You can see one is over here, this one, and I think this area will look amazing with the colors of all these combinations. So I think we should let's get started with this video without wasting any time. Everything now is looking quite of a mess, but within a couple of days I think these plants will regain their growth and they will start growing, and I will get beautiful and wonderful flowers from them. I will keep you all updated, and this area will be a very good and nice little flower bed, I think, because that cauliflower will be gone, and this in this flower bed kind of thing. This is I think these will be gone, these gladiolus. You can see they have bloomed very beautifully, they have bloomed, but now they're all spent. I need to cut the bloom stalks as well. Here I have some carrots and some dog flowers. These will all go within a couple of months. So then this area will be taken over by some sunflowers, because I am going to plant a sunflower garden. If I get good quality seeds, then my idea, I hope, will be succeeded, because this total area I want to grow sunflowers. For now, for this today is, I think, 12th of March. I think this is looking perfect with these kinds of flowers. These are totally gorgeous, I think. I have not shown you any updates because I have told you I can't make any video because the air was so much polluted that it is very difficult for me to come to the terrace as well. So, and over here my garden is like this now. A lot of things have changed. I have introduced new drip line as well. You can see these are the drip system, new drip system. These are all on drip. I need to just switch on the tap and they all will be feeded with water. And here are some hollyhocks. Actually the temperature, as I have told you, the weather also was very bad, because suddenly we got temperatures that reached up to 33 to 34 degrees Celsius suddenly. So the plants also, many plants also couldn't take it, the sudden shock, that is sudden rise in temperature. But although it's okay, many plants I have thrown away because they have died and they couldn't make it through that drastic change. It was a weird kind of winter because we got the coldest February, but also very rise, means what to say, a sudden rise in temperature in February as well. So okay, the plants are surviving. These plants will go up till, I think, up to May maybe, but they are looking good now for the time being, and they are giving a lot of color to my garden, although I have told you it is very, very hot. The dahlias, as I have made a video previously, those were my fullest blooms this year, and now these are all dried. Now I need to dig up them and I need to save them. So okay, I hope you have liked this video. Here I have some tomatoes as well. You can see we harvested so many of them, but still they keep on producing. You can see here is another one and another one over here. A ton of tomatoes we are getting every day. And here are some pansies. You can see they are doing great, I think. So okay, I hope you have liked this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching again, and see you all with a new topic. Thanks a lot.